Hello and welcome to StatLab statcrunch videos. Today we're going to be talking about quartiles, interquartile ranges, and how to use statcrunch to find your different quartiles, and how to do a box and whisker plot. So let's go ahead and talk about what the word fractiles means. They are the numbers that divide your data into equal parts. So now a quarter is just like the quarter in your dollar. It is 1/4 of your data. So quartiles approximately divide your ordered pair into 4 equal parts. Just like how you have 4 quarters in a dollar, the quartile divides the data into 4 equal parts. So the first quartile divides the data into 1/4. The second quartile divides the data into 1/2. The third quartile divides the data into 3/4. And the interquartile range is the difference between the third quarter and the first quarter. So let's go ahead and take a look at the data here. This is from section 2.5 homework. I have the data shows the number of hours of television watched per day by a sample of 28 people. I'm going to be using StatCrunch for this. So I'm simply going to go ahead and click here, open StatCrunch. And my data is already in the StatCrunch. So just to verify, let me go ahead and sort my data so you can see. So minimum value is 0, and if I scroll down, the maximum value is 9. Now, once I've done that, I'm going to go to Stats, Summary Stats, Columns. You can pick any of the variable, and I'm going for Q1 and Q3. Compute. See, my Q1 is 2.5, so you can see that here. My Q3 is 7.5. You can see that here. Remember, Q1 divides your data into 1/4 and 3/4. And Q3 divides your data into 3/4 and 1/4. So Q2 is nothing but the middle number here, which is your median. So please keep that in mind when you're finding your Q2. You're simply going to click median. So let me scroll this down. And I'm looking for median. Where is that? That's right, median, and I'm going to click compute. So my median is 4. You see that the Q2 is also 4. And when I scroll my data down, when I arrange them in increasing order, my middle number is automatically a 4. All right, now once we've done that, we're going to go ahead and do a box and whisker plot. To do that, I'm going to click Graph, Box Plot. You can pick any variable because they are the same numbers. And please remember to check the box that says Draw Boxes Horizontally. And then I would also like to see my median here. So I'm going to click Median and Compute. And if you see that, this is my box and whisker plot. The box and whisker plot gives you the minimum value, the maximum value, which is, when you click on that, when you have a mouse over, the minimum value is 0. The maximum value is 9. The Q1 is 2.5. The median, which is Q2, is 4. Q3 is 7.5. And it also gives you the interquartile range, which is 5. So this is a very neat graph that gives you all the information here. All right. Hope this helps.